Today we will talk on public speaking, the talking skill. Fast tips on public speaking. At Thinkens, we believe in public speaking. We believe in talking skills. We want to encourage our students to talk in English as well as in public speaking. Today we will talk on fast tips of public speaking. To begin with, the index. Number one, types of public speaking, elements of public speaking, 3 A's of public speaking, 3 P's of public speaking. First element, the speaker. Second element, the message. Third element, the audience. Fourth element, the medium. Fifth element, the effect. Then we will talk on our budding speakers at Thinkers. Effective public speaking is important. Yes, it is important. Effective public speaking is important since it's a symbol of passion and expression, poise and confidence, creativity and critical analytical thinking, professionalism and leadership abilities, which nowadays are must for one and all. Public speaking, truly speaking, all speaking is a public speaking, whether it is to one or 1,000. For public speaking, you need to take care of 3 P's. Number one is plan. Yes, you need to plan. You plan for the topic. You plan the details. Then number two, practice. You need to practice hard. You need to practice maybe before the mirror. Then number three, perform. Perform wholeheartedly. Then you need to take care of 3 A's, which are number one, authenticity. That means you need to be real. You cannot be bogus. Don't over dramatize. Number two, audience. Feel audience is with you and be comfortable. 3, authority. Feel you own the stage. Before delivering, take care of what types of public speaking you are going to deliver, which are number one, informative. Number two, motivational. Is it entertaining? Number 4, is it persuasive? Number 5, is it a debate or improv speech? Then we will talk on elements of public speaking. First element is the speaker. Second element is the message. Third element is the audience. Fourth element is the medium. Fifth element is the effect. And sixth element thereon are feedback, etc., etc. First element, the speaker. 12 following ingredients. Number one, have passion, have confidence, do more voice modulations, be yourself, grab attention, particularly in the beginning and in the end. Then the message, which is very important, of course. Here you need to be very clear what you want to say. Then be short and sweet. Write down bullet points. Start with introduction, explain in the middle, and conclude in the end. Then the important element, the audience. Number one, connect with your audience. Take along audience through storytelling, quotes or joke, etc. Keep eye contact with the audience, energize your audience, pitch, know where to look. Then fourth element is the medium. Use audio video wisely. Watch recordings of your video for better performance next time. Fifth element is the effect. For best effect, embrace the fear and use nervous energy as a booster to your benefit. Visualize success. Then demonstrate positivity. Public speaking, always remember, you can speak well if your tongue can deliver the message of your heart. So these are our budding speakers at Thinkens. They are having very high speech. They want to be perfect and want to be super public speakers. They want to excel in their field and also in public speaking. We wish them all the very best. Thank you.